Hello YouTube, this is another quick recipe with Barilla, that microwave pasta, 60 seconds. Let's get started. So the thing you want to do is put in like 3 tablespoons of olive oil and put your pan on medium and take 3 cloves of garlic, stick that in there and let that sit for a couple minutes. Alright YouTube, so after about 2 minutes, take cherry tomatoes, keep some of them intact and cut the other ones in half. And the thing you're going to want to do is to release some of that tomato into this olive oil, add some salt, and give this another minute. And then turn it down between low and medium. Let the tomatoes work itself into this garlic. Alright, the next thing, YouTube, is red pepper crushed. Put in what you think you would like. You control that. Then if you don't have fresh basil, add some of that in there. Now turn this down to low and just make sure these tomatoes get into this oil and garlic. Alright, YouTube, the next thing is take that 60-second pasta. Throw that in there, keep this on low, and just keep working this together. You see those nice tomatoes in there, you got the fresh garlic, and this could be made in like 5 minutes. And this is like a cherry tomato, basil, garlic pasta. So just work that together, give it another minute, and then we're done. Alright YouTube, and there you have it. Your really quick 5-minute cherry tomato, garlic pasta using this 60-second microwave pasta. You can make so many different recipes with this. Please subscribe, hit the like, and many more pasta and other recipes in the future. Love you, Dan Soy. Bye bye.